Struggling to find the best DDR5 RAM in 2024? We know it's tough with so many options and confusing specs. That's why we've tested and reviewed countless models to bring you the top 5 DDR5 RAM options available this year. In this video, we'll break down each product's key features and help you understand what to look for when choosing the perfect RAM for your setup. Stay tuned as we reveal the best DDR5 RAM in 2024 and make your decision-making process a breeze. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. ADATA XPG Lancer. The ADATA XPG Lancer DDR5 offers a substantial 16GB memory size, making it a solid choice for enhancing desktop performance. With DDR5 technology, this RAM reaches impressive speeds of up to 5200 MHz, setting a new benchmark in gaming memory. One of its standout features is the customizable RGB light effects, adding a visually appealing element to any gaming rig. The beautifully crafted heatsink ensures efficient cooling, maintaining optimal performance even during intense gaming sessions. Reliability is a key focus with this RAM, as it includes a power management integrated circuit and error correcting code to enhance data integrity and overall system stability. The module boasts fast clock speeds, achieving up to 6,000 megatransfers per second, which is particularly beneficial for gamers and professionals seeking top-tier performance. Overclocking enthusiasts will appreciate the Intel XMP 3.0 support, which simplifies the overclocking process, allowing users to easily push their system to its limits. The ADATA DDR5 RAM is also RoHS compliant, underscoring its adherence to environmental standards. The RAM weighs just 1.66 ounces and measures 5.25 by 1.57 by 0.31 inches. Operating at a voltage of 1.25 volts, the RAM is designed for desktop compatibility. In summary, the ADATA DDR5 RAM combines high-speed, reliability, and aesthetic appeal, making it a top contender for those looking to upgrade their desktop memory. Whether for gaming or professional use, it delivers robust performance and stability. Number 4. Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5 RGB. The Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5 RGB memory module offers 64 GB of RAM with a speed of 6,000 MHz, making it a robust option for desktop users seeking high performance. This DDR5 RAM is designed with dynamic, customizable RGB lighting effects, which can be controlled through Kingston's Fury CTRL software or the motherboard's RGB software. The sleek design features either black and silver or white and silver aluminum heat spreaders with a black PCB, adding a stylish touch to any build. One of the standout features is the patented Kingston Fury infrared sync technology, which ensures synchronized lighting effects across all modules. This memory is engineered for top-tier performance and extreme overclocking potential, backed by Intel XMP 3.0 certification. The Intel Xtreme memory profile technology simplifies overclocking with pre-optimized factory settings, and the module supports up to 2 customizable profiles for personalized performance tuning. DDR5 technology in Kingston Fury enhances stability for extreme overclocking, with on-die ECC providing more reliable DRAM components and an onboard PMIC to balance power distribution. The 2 independent 32-bit subchannels significantly improve data efficiency for multi-core processors, making this memory suitable for a variety of high-demand tasks, including content creation, multitasking, and gaming. This DDR5 is rigorously tested for compatibility with leading motherboards and is 100% factory tested at speed to ensure a hassle-free experience. This memory module is an excellent choice for gamers, enthusiasts, content creators, and extreme overclockers seeking both high performance and reliability. Number 3. TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan DDR5. The TEAMGROUP Vulcan DDR5 is designed to lead a new era of overclocking, compatible with Intel's 600 and 700 series chipsets. It supports Intel XMP 3.0 for seamless one-click overclocking, catering to enthusiasts and professionals alike. This DDR5 memory utilizes professional-grade thermal conducting silicon to enhance adhesion between the cooling fin and the memory module. The silicon efficiently transfers heat from top to bottom, ensuring the memory stays at an optimal operating temperature. The memory module features a sleek design with a reinforced structure, enhancing cooling efficiency and overall durability while gaming. Additionally, the DDR5 features a high-quality IC die, rigorously tested for compatibility and reliability, guaranteeing a stable and compatible overclocking gaming memory. Equipped with PMICs, the Vulcan DDR5 ensures stable and efficient power usage, further strengthened by an enhanced PMIC cooling design. The inclusion of on-die ECC contributes to system stability, and the use of high-quality high-quality ICs underscores the product's reliability and performance. This product weighs 3.52 ounces and has dimensions of 5.51 by 0.3 by 1.29 inches. It comes in black and utilizes DDR5 SD RAM with a voltage of 1.25 volts. In summary, the TEAMGROUP Vulcan DDR5 stands out with its advanced features and robust support, making it a reliable choice for users looking to upgrade their system's memory capabilities. Number 2. G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo. The Trident Z5 Neo RGB series from G.Skill is specifically designed for AMD X670 series chipset and Ryzen 7000 series CPUs or newer. This 32GB kit, which includes two 16GB modules, offers DDR5 6000 memory with a 288-pin configuration and CAS latency of CL36 at 1.35 volts, adhering to the AMD Expo standard. Crafted from hand-screened DDR5 DRAM ICs, Trident Z5 Neo RGB is engineered for overclocked memory performance on compatible AMD platforms. Its sleek aluminum heat spreader design and AMD Expo overclock profile support make it an ideal choice for building a high-performance system. This RAM significantly enhances the gaming experience, especially with resource-intensive titles like Tarkov. Installation is straightforward, with the matte black UDM RAM fitting seamlessly into the system. What sets this RAM apart is its exceptional performance, particularly in gaming. In demanding games like Tarkov, where every frame and millisecond is crucial, this DDR5 RAM excels. Its high clock speed ensures smooth gameplay, reduced loading times, and effortless multitasking. It's a must-have for gamers aiming to elevate their experience. Upon installation, the memory will boot at the SPD speed with default BIOS settings, assuming compatible hardware is used. To achieve the rated Expo overclock speed, users must enable the Expo profile in the BIOS. However, attaining these speeds and maintaining system stability heavily depends on the compatibility and capability of the motherboard and CPU. This DDR5, weighing 4.2 ounces and measuring 1.1 by 9.7 by 6.5 inches, comes in a sleek matte black finish. The Trident Z5 Neo RGB series also includes visually appealing RGB lighting, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of any build. In summary, the G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB series is a solid choice for users looking to enhance their system's performance through overclocking and gaming. Proper setup and compatible hardware are crucial to leveraging the full potential of this memory kit. For more information, visit the G.Skill specifications page. Number 1. Patriot Viper Xtreme 5 DDR5. The Patriot Memory Viper Xtreme 5 DDR5 kit is a high-performance memory solution designed for PC enthusiasts and gamers. This kit includes 2x 24GB of RAM, operating at a speed of 7600 MHz, and is compatible with specific high-end DDR5 platforms. It supports Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, allowing for easy overclocking and optimized performance. The Viper Xtreme 5 stands out with its professional-grade performance capabilities, achieving speeds up to 8200 megatransfers per second. This is made possible through meticulous internal clock generation and memory timing circuit improvements. The RAM modules are built with high-quality ICs, selected and screened for enhanced overclocking potential, and are fully tested to ensure maximum performance. The design of the Viper Xtreme 5 is both functional and aesthetic. It features an aluminum heat shield with a unique snakehead shape, matte finish, and a large RGB light bar, offering a visually striking addition to any gaming setup. The heat shield not only enhances the appearance but also ensures better performance and durability. The memory kit includes an unlocked PMIC, which allows for lower power consumption and efficient heat management, crucial for maintaining stability during overclocking. The on-die ECC ensures data integrity and system reliability by correcting single-bit errors and detecting multi-bit errors. For those who prefer customization, the Viper Xtreme 5 is available in both RGB and non-RGB versions. The RGB variant features dynamic lighting effects that can be synchronized using Viper RGB Sync, while the non-RGB option offers a more understated, sophisticated look. Overall, the Patriot Memory Viper Xtreme 5 DDR5 kit delivers high-frequency support, reliable performance, and customizable aesthetics, making it a solid choice for enhancing your gaming experience. In conclusion, these top-tier DDR5 memory modules each offer unique strengths, making them suitable for different user needs. The ADATA XPG Lancer stands out for its its customizable RGB lighting and solid overclocking capabilities. The Kingston Fury Renegade excels with its high capacity and advanced RGB synchronization technology. TEAMGROUP's T-Force Vulcan impresses with its robust thermal management and stable overclocking support. The G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo is optimized for AMD systems, offering seamless gaming performance. Finally, the Patriot Viper Xtreme 5 combines high speed, reliability, and striking aesthetics, catering to gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking top-notch performance.